Hello friends, welcome to Algorepo. So today we are going to see a problem called word search 2. Code is 212 and it is a hard level problem. So let's see what is the question. So basically we have n cross m board. In that we have some characters and we have given set of strings like O, A, T, H, oath, these strings, and we have in this grid we can only move in 4 direction, and we have to see if this string is present in this board or not. If it is present, we have to just create one another uh, string vector. In that, just add this uh, from the given how many valid words are there, just we have to push back in this and return this vector. So this is the question. Let's suppose we'll see for this word if it is present in this grid or not, in this board or not. So our word is oath. So I'll come here and if you see I will search in this matrix if O is there or not. So yes, it is there. From here I can only move in 4 direction, up, down, right, back, right, back. So O is there. So from here I'll again move in 4 directions and I'll see if A is there or not. So in this direction I have A, and from here I'll search for T in 4 direction. From here I'll see A is T is not there. From here I'll see yes, T is there. So again I'll come here and check for H. I'll move in this direction, there is no H. In this direction there is no H. In up there is no H. In down yes, there is a H. So it means that OATH, this is word is present in this given board. So what I will do, I'll create one vector of type string and just add this string, and again I'll do same for P E A. So I'll search for uh, P in the board, and first I will see if P is present in the board or not. So if I'll go through this grid, I have no P, so it means that there is no word in this grid. I'll again search for eat. So now my word is eat. Let me erase this first so that will look properly. Okay, so let's see. So now we are looking for eat. So first I will see if E is present in the grid or not. So I'll come here. No, there is no E, there is no E, there is no E. Yes, there is a E. So from here I'll move in 4 directions. So I'll move up and I have to see if A is there or not. So I'll move up, I'll see O. So there is no A. I can't move in left direction because it will be out of boundary. I'll move in right direction and I'll see T. It means there is no A, and also move in downside and I'll see that we don't find any A. It means that from here there is no word eat. So again I'll come here, I'll come here, I'll come here. So again I find E. From here I'll again search for eat. So from here E. So I'll search for A now. So a move in up direction, there is no A. Here there is no A. In this direction, yeah, it is there. It means EA is there. Means we got prefix EA. Now I have to find T. So I'll move in this direction. Oh, A, it means not T. We don't find T. In this direction, yes, it is T. So it means that even eat is also there. It means earlier we had in our string, in our result, oath. Now I add eat, and again I'll do for rain, same way. So I will not find. At the end I will just return this vector. So let's see. So for solving this we are going to use try data structure and backtracking and depth first search to solve this. Why we are going to use try? Because using try we can search and store. Basically insert is consume very less time when we use try. for that we will use try, and we'll use backtracking, because see, from here E, I didn't find eat word. So what I will do, I'll come here, and from here I have to again see. So from there, here and here, I have moved in 4 directions. If I have did any changes here, so if here it is T, if I had did any changes here, so from here if I come, from here if I come, this change will be there, so I will not find eat. So for that I have to use backtracking. So we'll see in few minutes. So let's see. So we'll create tree using the try using these strings, So let's create how my so basically let's discuss how my try node will look like. So in my try node I'll have 2 things. This is my try node. So in this I have 2 things, that is word, which will be saying that for oath, if this word is if for now it is null. We'll see why we are using this word in few seconds. Now, and I also have one array of try node only. So the data type of this array will be of try node, and this length will be 26, so that I can insert all alphabets of small alphabets. So this will have 26 size. And one more thing, friends, this is just basic. So if I have character and another character, if I am doing minus, or if I am doing minus, so this is ASCII, the character of ASCII value minus ASCII I will result int type value. Let's suppose, we know that ASCII value of a character is 97. So if I am doing character A minus character A, it means the value is 0. In the same way, if my character B minus doing character A, it means value 1. So we know that our in this string we have A to Z letters only, small a to z. So every time I'll just character, so this is my character, so I'll do just character minus A, and I will get result from 0 to 25. So that 0 to 25 I can easily utilize this 0 to 25 index in this. It means if I get 0, it means A. If it is 1, it means B. In the same way, if 25, it means Z. So using this technique, using this method, I can store in this array. Let's see now. So let's build or try now using this. So after my, let's see how my try will look like. Let me erase this first properly. Okay, so at first this will be my root. So in root I have word which will be pointing to null. We'll see why I am using this word. So, and I also have one array of size 26 where each index denoting each alphabet. So let's start work on oath first. So just what I will do, I'll just store O in the let's suppose O is here. So for its respective index I will store O here, and I'll create one new node, and in that also I'll point value W equals to null and create one inside we have an array, and from O I'll have A. So just I'll add A here, and from A I'll also create one once again I will create one word, one node, and in that also we have one array and one word which is pointing to null, and in that I will store T, and from T again I'll create one word. In that I will store H and word equals to null, and after H our string length is over. It means that from H I'll again create one node, but here will in array I'll store null, because from here we don't have any another letter, alphabet. So here in word I will store OATH word. It means that if I reach here, from here if I reach here, I can assure that there is a word in my given words where the string is OAT is present. I can assure that OATH is present in my word, in my tree. For that I am storing word. So if I am here, if I am pointing at this node, I know that so OA, so OA is a prefix of oath, but not a word, perfect word. It is a prefix but not a word, perfect word, which is present in the which is given in this word. In the same way here also, OAT, it is a prefix but not word. So if I am pointing here, it means that there is a word oath in the given string. In the same way for P, in the same way for P, let's see, here it is P, and from P I'll create one node and it will be word which is pointing to null, and this is a 26 array. I'm just, for space problem, I'm just using one box only. So from P I'll now point to E, and from E I'll point to A, and word will be null, and from A I have one word where I will store PEAP, and my array of try node will point to null. In the same way for eat, in the same way for rain, and after that I'll start searching, doing BFS. So now I have this board, right? So I'll find for, so I have to find if oath is present in this board or not. For that, what I will do, so this is my try, and in this try I know that these many words are there in my try, not more than, even a single word is not present more than which is present in this tree. I know this, I can assure this, right? So what I will do, I'll start BFS from this, I'll start BFS from O, and I'll see if there is any I'll see if is there any O in the root node. It yes, it is there here. It means that there is a word in my tree, in my try, which is starting from 0, and that word is oath. So it means that I can assure that there is a word starting from O in our given word, and I'll see if for where this O is pointing. So it is pointing to A. So from O here I'll move in 4 directions and see if A is there or not. So I can see that here A is there, and from, so after I'll come here and I'll see if it is pointing to T. So again I'll see if T is move in this 4 direction, and I'll see if T is there or not. So yes, it is there in down direction, that is T here. Yes, it is pointing. So from T here I'll come here and I'll see if H is there or not. So again from here I'll move in 4 direction and I'll find that H is also there here. It means that, and at the end I'll come here and I'll see that this is it is pointing to null. Now the array is pointing to null. So I'll check if we have any word which is greater than 0, because at earlier we are just storing null. Now I'll see if the word size is greater than 0, because here the size is 0. So I'll see if greater than 0, it means that there is a word, and that word is OATH. So I'll just add this to my result vector. In the same way, after doing this, again I'll come back, and again after O I'll now start from A, and I'll see if A, from A is there any word. Just I will see in root node only, because this is my starting. In this node all the starting word letters are present. So from A there is no word starting. From A again there is no word starting. From N there is no word starting. For E, yes, from E we have eat, that is there, that is we haven't written, but even we have eat. So we'll check for this, and we'll do same thing and also backtrack. So at the we use BFS and backtracking for searching in the try node using board, this board. So let's see how we are going to code this. So let's see. So the code will be very long, so let's see how we are going to code this. So first of all I have to create one try of, we have to create one try. Let's keep it as name try node. In that we have two things. One is string type word which is pointing to null. Let's we'll point that null in constructor, and I also have try node type of array of length 26 to store A to Z, small a to z. And let's create one constructor tri try node constructor. In that I will assign word equals to null, word equals to null, and create for loop which will be 0 to 26 I plus plus, and just assign let's change the name of the array as children, child array, so that it will be easy to understand. And child array in children I'll store value null at first. So after that we have to create one, so this is my tree, right? So I have to build a tree using these words. So using these words I have to create build tree for those words. So let's build try for that. So for that I have to so this will return try type, try node type, try node. Okay, I have did something wrong or what? TRINOD. Okay, right. So let's name build tree, and it will have only this words. So copy from here. Okay, so first of all I have to create try node root. Okay, after that I'll for loop from I int I equals to 0 to I less than words words dot size I plus plus, and again I will create one string type current word which will point to current word from words of I, and also create one try pointer which will name cur, and it will be pointing to root. And again we'll loop for int I j equals to 0 to j less than this current word length currword dot length length till length j plus plus, and I'll see if this current try node So before checking this, I will create cur index, so character index, so that, so let's suppose this is current word of j minus minus a, so it will create my current word index, and I'll see if this character at this index is there or not. If it is null, I'll just create one node of C. This will be my node, right? And I will, so after that I'll just update my cur to cur next. Oh sorry, cur children of this character C index. So after this I'll just at the end, after pointing to after reaching all the character, at the end I'll just update char word equals to cu error char word, so that I know that when it is pointing here, I know that there is a word at the end. After that I'll return root, this root. After that I'll return root, and after that I will start building our main function, start writing our main function. So for that also I have to create one try node star of root, and I'll just call this build function, so that here we'll create build try using these words. And after that I will also create one vector of type string result, where I'll just store those words which are valid, and at the end I will return. So after that I will loop through this board. So for that I'll go from 0 to board size, board dot size I plus plus, and again for loop in j equals to 0 to j less than board of 0 dot size j plus plus. I'll just DFS this index and see if it is present in the try. If it is present in the try, it means the word is valid. So at the end I'll just add this in this result. So I'll just DFS on this index. So we have parameters like board, we also need root, this root pointer, and also need a result where we are going to store, and I index and j index, and at the end we'll just return result vector. So we have to build this DFS also. So for that I'll just here we'll build DFS. So for that void DFS will have try node. So I'll just I need this board, right? So I'll just copy from here. Oh sorry, so I just copy from here this board, After that I also need try node, right? try node root, and for storing I need vector of type string, and I'll take reference of that so that I can directly store there, and need indexes I and index j. I hope you can see that. Okay, so after that first of all I'll take that character from that board. For that I will do just board of I j, so I'll get that character. So because we are using recursion, I'll first write base condition here that if my character is pointing to hash, it means hash, or it is null, or my root children of that character is null. If it is there at that index, if it is pointing to null, I have to just return. And one more thing, if my root word dot size is greater than 0, we'll just if at any point if we find that our root word size is greater than 0, because at first we are storing just null value, just double quotes, but at the time at the end of the pointing we are just adding those strings. It means if our string is greater than 0, it means there is a valid string, so we'll just push back that string, that word, root word, and we'll just change that root word to null, so that repetition will be not there. Because at one time, at each word we can use only one letter at one time only. So we are moving in 4 directions, right? If from one word, if I am moving in one direction, from one direction, if I am pointing to the one single letter, from another node can also I can point that node, so I am using 2 times, so which is not possible here. For that I am doing this. After that I'll just, so right now what I will do, board of ij, I'll just store value hash. It means that right now I am processing this current character, and I'll just move in 4 directions, that is in up, down, back, right, using recursion. For that I'll just use board with parameters root, and I'll have result and I minus 1, so that I can move in up direction. In the same way, for j greater than 0, dfs board root result, and it will be in j minus 1 direction. In the same way, at I equals to board of board dot size, so that it will be pointing to the last of ith node, I minus ith node, and if it is, I'll just dfs board root result I plus 1 direction, and j, that is in right direction. And in the same way, if j is less than board dot size board of 0 dot size minus 1, if I am there, then I'll just dfs BOARD, board, root, result, I and j plus one direction. And at the end, because I am doing backtracking after processing, I'll just change board of I j value as earlier character. I'll just character, and this is it guys, and let's run the code now and see. So we are getting compiler error, so let's see what is the error. DFS void, so expected bracket error. So let's see where it is coming. Void it, let me change the view. Okay, now let's see. We have board, trinode, root, and let's see now after running. Again we have compiler error, so there is a bracket missing here. DFS vector of vector board expected fatal. Okay, here we have did this. We have to just use comma here, and let's run now. Again compiler error, trinode, root new trinode. Okay, it is private here, so I have to make it public here. Public. Okay, let's run now. Again compiler error. Okay, CURR. Okay, here I have to do, sorry guys, this is just a typo error. Where I have to change CURR 35, line 35 CURR CURR. So here curr CURR. Again compiler error, children of C. Okay, I have to use C minus. I have to, so I have to use here where let me see this I in 34 line C. So here what I have to do, trinode build tree, right? Build tree, if CURR is children of C, it is null. I'll just create children of new node. Okay, instead of I have to write trinode here, trinode. Now run. Again compiler error, DFS board root okay, I have a root here. I have to write comma here and run. Okay, finish. Again I have 0. Let's see why. Let me start from above one. So first I have created trinode public word, then children, then word, and then pointing to null, and after that I have created try root node build tree called, and after that I have string result. After I enter I equals to 0 to board size, and for board of I0 to BFS I have did to this, and I have return. And in build tree I have just used root tree I equals to 0 to word dot size, cur world equals to words of I try node equals to cur root, and from j to the length curved length I j plus cur word equals to j minus a. Yes, I did right. and equals to children C. If it is null, I'll create one new try node, try node, and after that I'll just point update my car, and after that I'll just car word equals to current word, and after that I'll just return root. And in DFS I'll C equals to board of ijs. If I'll get C hash or A, I'll just return, otherwise I'll just okay. So I haven't updated my root to children, child, children of C minus A. Because of that I am getting null value there. So now it's look okay. Let's see here also. And root equals to, and if it is size 0, push back word, and word equals to change it to, and move in I plus 1 j plus 1. Okay, now it's look right. Let's run. Okay, I'm getting right, and let's submit now. Yes, it is accepted. Thank you guys for watching my video, and if you are new here, subscribe my video, subscribe the channel, and if you have any doubts or have difficulty in understanding the code, just do comment. I'll respond.